2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850 is a street-legal monster. Luxury has never been this savage. You think you've seen luxury SUVs before? Think again. Because the 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850 is not just an SUV. It's a brutal 850 horsepower beast in a designer tuxedo. It's the kind of machine that turns heads at Monaco and melts asphalt at Nürburgring. But wait till you hear the sound it makes, and what Mansory did to the interior. Pure madness. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the wildest, loudest, and most luxurious SUVs of 2026. The Mansory-tuned Mercedes GLS 63 P850. This isn't your typical family hauler. This is a supercar in disguise, wearing carbon fiber armor, and riding on 24-inch forged wheels. Let's talk looks, because this thing is intimidating. Mansory has gone all out with a full carbon wide-body kit, enlarged intakes, flared fenders, custom front splitter, and an outrageous rear diffuser. The iconic GLS silhouette is still there, but now it looks like it eats G-Wagons for breakfast. The gloss black paint is stealthy. The LED signature is menacing. And that quad exhaust setup? It's not just for show, it spits flames. Inside, you're entering a realm where luxury meets lunacy. Diamond-stitched Italian leather wraps every inch. Carbon fiber trim is everywhere. Ambient lighting is customizable to 64 colors. And the Mansory logo? Embroidered everywhere, just so you never forget. Rear seats? Heated, ventilated, massaging, and reclining. With built-in champagne coolers and infotainment for each passenger. Clinking glasses. This SUV doesn't whisper luxury, it screams it. Under the hood? A handcrafted 4.0L biturbo V8, massaged by Mansory to unleash 850 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. 0 to 60, just 3.6 seconds, in a nearly 3-ton SUV. And with all-wheel drive, custom suspension, and launch control. This brute drives like a much smaller, angrier AMG coupe. Mansory didn't just upgrade performance, they unleashed it. You still get all the Mercedes-Benz flagship tech. White heavy checkmark MBUX with AI voice assistant. White heavy checkmark digital cockpit with night vision. White heavy checkmark adaptive cruise, 360 degrees cameras, self-parking. But with Mansory's custom coding and graphics, it feels like you're driving a spaceship on steroids. The 2026 Mercedes Mansory GLS 63 P850 is outrageous in the best way possible. It's an ultra-luxury SUV with hypercar numbers, brutal styling, and enough attitude to stop traffic. Would you drive this monster daily, or keep it locked in a vault? Like this video if Mansory just blew your mind. Subscribe for more insane 2026 super luxury car content every day.